Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to rename file and folder in a Windows 11 operating system by the simplest way. On the desktop, I have one folder and I want to change that folder. So I just right click on this folder. Okay. And here is not found any option for rename. Windows has slightly changed their location of rename. Okay. At the top, we find cut. Here is the coffee. Here is the rename and here is the delete. So here is our rename. Just click at here and we are going to rename our folder. So I just rename with test and hit enter key on our keyboard. Now my folder is renamed. Another simple way is just click on the folder and just press F2 key on your keyboard. Just press F2 key on your keyboard. Just select it and F2 key and rename any name. Okay. So guys, this is the simplest way to rename file and folder in a Windows 11 operating system by the simplest way. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.